from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
When will you be able to get a COVID vaccination in Henrico County? We've got details coming up on today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, January 11th, 2021, and it's brought to you today by Nathan's Roof Repairs.
And now for the news.
Henrico County is nearing the start of Phase 2 of vaccinations for COVID-19. That's according to the State Department of Health. 11 health districts in Virginia, mostly in Northern Virginia, are beginning that phase today. All others will start it before the month concludes. Now, those eligible in Phase 1B include frontline essential workers, anyone 75 or older, and anyone who lives in correctional facilities, homeless shelters, or migrant labor camps. No word yet on exactly when Henrico will enter the phase. In that second phase, the VDH has prioritized frontline workers in this order: police, fire, and hazmat officials, then corrections and homeless shelter workers, followed by child care, K-12 teachers and staff, food and agriculture industry workers, including veterinarians, manufacturing, grocery store workers, public transit workers, mail carriers, and officials who are needed to maintain the continuity of government. Now, if you're in one of those groups, you should receive information from your employers in many cases, but you'll also be able to visit the Henrico Health District online or call to learn more and to register for shots. The order also has been established for the third phase of vaccinations, which prioritizes people 65 to 74, as well as those 16 to 64 who have health conditions or disabilities that increase their risk of severe issues from COVID. And then the following workers in this order: those from the energy field, waste removal workers, housing construction, food service, transportation and logistics, higher education faculty and staff members, finance, information technology and communication, media, legal services, engineers, and then other public health workers. No time frame for that phase has yet been established. Over the weekend, Henrico County reported 396 new cases of COVID-19, as well as 2 COVID-related deaths and 5 new hospitalizations, according to the Virginia Department of Health. The county's 7-day positivity percentage among PCR tests is 15.2. Among rapid tests, it is 17.6. 368 people filed first-time unemployment claims in Henrico during the week that ended January 2nd. That's according to data released late last week by the Virginia Employment Commission. It was an increase of 33 from the number of people who had filed the previous week in the county. Both of those totals, however, were lower than the number who had filed initial claims in Henrico during each of the previous 3 weeks. To date, more than 44,000 people have filed such claims in Henrico since the pandemic began in March. Henrico ranked 11th among state localities in the total number of first-time filers during the most recent week. There were also just more than 2,100 Henricoans who filed continuing unemployment claims during that same week, nearly the same number who had done so the prior week. On Wednesday, Henrico County Public Schools' Life-Ready Expo series will continue from 6 to 8 p.m. The series runs through March. It's open to all area students in grades 7 through 12. During the event, students and their families can visit virtual rooms to talk with employers across the region, representing a variety of career opportunities. Wednesday's event will connect students and their families with human services employers from the industries of education and training, government and public administration, hospitality and tourism, and law, public safety, corrections, and security. To attend, you can visit henricoschools.us and look for the link, or visit henricocitizen.com and click on education to find that link. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Nathan's Roof Repairs, a small company doing big things. Check them out online at nathansroofrepairs.com or call 273-9200 for a free estimate.